Hello there everyone and welcome into this lecture in which we're going to view how you can create an FAQ using Google Bard. Now, let's take for example this product on Amazon, because the reason why I didn't want to take this product on ClickBank is simply because they already have an FAQ. So I didn't want to use Google Bard because it's going to cheat certainly, and it's going to go and it's going to take this FAQ and build something similar to it. So I prefer to go to a product that Google Bard cannot know an FAQ for because it's nowhere here. And so I guarantee myself that it's going to generate a original FAQ. Now, if I go back to Google Bard, I can say, I want you to take the following URL and to generate the product FAQ of 6 questions and answers. Right? Now here, I'm going to attach the URL and let's just wait. And you can see over here that it went to the back end and it started generating for me the FAQ. So the first question is, what are the ingredients in pure protein nutritional shakes? And this is the answer. How many calories are in pure protein nutritional shake? How much protein is in pure? So this is good. This is good. And if we go, for example, I'm just curious to see if there are any freelancers selling the exact same service. So we can go, for example, here and look for FAQ. Now, I'm pretty sure we're going to find a lot of freelancers out there that are selling these kinds of services. I'll just search for FAQ. There are 137 services available. I will write an FAQ. Now, she does it for $100. Now, this one also is good. I'll write a web page content for you for the About Us page. So you can see out there that there is stuff for all tastes. I mean, you can certainly make money as well selling FAQs, which is something that Google Bard can do in a second. And not only can you do that as a freelancer, you can also do it as an affiliate if you're promoting products, or you can do it even if you are running an e-commerce brand and you're promoting your own products. Because if you're going to create a landing page for this particular product right here, an FAQ is necessary because people want to know these answers. They have so many questions. Like, for example, how many calories are in pure protein? This is a question that everybody is going to ask, especially people that go to the gym and lift weights. They're going to want to know the answer to this question. What are the ingredients? Especially, I mean, people who go to the gym, they're going to want to know this. I mean, because they want to know, they want to keep track about how many carbs they're taking, how much protein they're taking, how much fat they're taking. So they take that stuff really seriously, and providing them with these answers might be the deciding factor that determines whether they're going to purchase or not. As opposed to, for example, if you go to a landing page that does not have a FAQ, the chances of conversion, I'm not going to say they're going to suffer, but they're not going to be as much. And without further ado, this lecture, you've learned how to generate an FAQ using Google Bard. In the next lecture, you're going to learn how you can generate podcast scripts for your podcast. And guess what? This is also something that you can sell on Fiverr for a price. If you search, for example, for podcast script, there's a lot of people out there that are selling this podcast scripting. And the beautiful part is that there are niches about it. So for example, here you can see that there is a true crime niche, even though I don't like that. But there are people that are specialized in that niche. Now, I can see that there's a lot of them here. I don't know why. True crime? Come on. I mean, we need positive stuff here. What is positive? All right, let's just see if we can find something positive. Now, I couldn't see anything here. I couldn't see. I mean, we could see some true crime. Everybody's creating true crime podcasts these days. I don't know what's going on, but I'll see you in the next lecture where I'm going to teach you how you can use Google Bard to generate podcast scripts if you own a podcast, or to sell these services as a freelancer as well, if you want to sell them as a freelancer. Until then, I'll say thank you very much and see you in the next lecture. Stay tuned.